Are you ready to embark on your online journey? Signing up for WP Engine is your first step toward building a successful website. Hello, everyone. Today, I'm excited to guide you through the simple process of signing up for WP Engine. Let's dive in. To get started, click the link in the description below to visit the WP Engine website. Once you're on the homepage, locate the Plans and Pricing button and click to proceed. Here, you'll find a range of plans, including Essential, Core, and Enterprise. Take a moment to review them, then select the plan that best suits your needs. Next, choose your subscription type, whether you'd prefer monthly or annual billing. If you're interested in any additional features, feel free to add them now. Scroll down to the Account Information section, where you'll enter your details such as your name, email, and phone number. Then click Continue to Payment. On the following page, input your payment information and billing address, then agree to the terms and conditions. Finally, click the Pay Now button to complete your purchase. And there you have it. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more useful guides, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Thank you for watching,